Good morning, beautiful people, and welcome to another amazing day here in Los Barriles. So we are at the Arroyo, and this is a place that we usually take the dogs to get their morning exercise. But after we leave here, we're gonna head over to Maximo's, and Maximo's is a restaurant where we're gonna have breakfast. But the most important thing that we're gonna do is we are going to a pup pop-up. So this is something that happens, I want to say every Wednesday here in Los Barriles. And we met two amazing human beings, Lynn and Jen, and they help to facilitate the rescues and the adoptions and the foster of some really cool puppies. So we are going to run these guys, and then we're going to drink our coffee, or I might do that at the same time. And I'll see you guys when we make it over to Maximo's. Deuces! I can't throw the deuces because I have my coffee cup in my hand, so let's try this again. Deuces!
Solo yo sé de ese lunar, solo tú comes el pastel. Con estilo siempre te vas, pero te vienes con placer. Me dijiste no quiero nada.
Hey guys, so we're here at Mexico, and it's like this little coffee breakfast spot. It's basically down the street from the resort. And I think on Wednesday they do like this pet adoption, and it's by the Cortez Rescue and Outreach. They do some wonderful work. They rescue the animals. They actually get them spayed also by another program that's run with SNAP. It's a ground roots effort. It's pretty cool. We're also having some breakfast. It looked amazing. Tenaj is actually entertaining guests as she normally does. She's good with that. And I'm probably messing all this camera stuff up because I don't speak well sometimes, but it's a pretty cool spot. We just ordered an omelet. It has mushrooms and stuff. I don't mess with the mushrooms, or I might have to deal with it. And we also got a smoothie. I forgot the name of it, but it's chocolate. I'm gonna show you guys the menu. It's a pretty cool spot. Everyone's out here just chilling and listening to music and playing with the pups and trading stories. All right, see you in a few.
I spent 27 years of my life, 3 weeks a month on an airplane, you know. And
wow. Okay, so I think that we're going to wrap up our day here, well, our morning, because I want to say it's not even 12 o'clock yet. But the smoothie was really good. The omelet was amazing. I'll just go ahead and say it was amazing. But the company was something totally different. You guys know that I am with a good community vibe. And that's all I've been getting from here. Everyone knows everybody, so it kind of reminds me of Cheers. But I absolutely love what they're doing here. So you know that we're here at the Wednesday adoption. I wish that I could take them with me. Like, have you ever gotten that feeling like you are around dogs that are less fortunate and you just want to take care of them? I mean, they all are so well mannered and so mild tempered. I love it. I love it. I love it here. You guys know that that's something that we'll say, well, that I say always, but I definitely do. So you know that Los Barriles has the No Bad Days slogan. Well, here we have the No Bad Dogs, and of course we have to get 2 shirts.
It's pretty cool. So if you can't adopt an animal or can't adopt a pup here because you're not here, you can go to their website and check them out, and you could donate and you might get a shirt. It's a pretty cool shirt.
Yeah, it's amazing, guys, and it's going toward a great cause, and the people here are amazing. They're helping the dogs, and yeah, I mean, how could you not love that, right? So Gypsy's basically been chilling. You know that it's kind of hot, and you know that Gypsy's gonna find her shade, and that's exactly what she did. She found her shade. So I think that we're just gonna go ahead and wrap it up, guys. The breakfast was amazing. So if you're here, you know, make sure you stop and yeah, have a smoothie or an omelet or sit down and chat, because you're definitely going to find someone that you will connect with in some kind of way, and that's how friendships happen. So I'm here for it. Well, until later, unless Faustino has anything else to say, I think we're out. Deuces.
Baby, si se nos da, será lo que será, nos lo vamos a matar, toda esa curiosidad. Baby, si se nos da, será lo que será, nos lo vamos a matar, toda esa curiosidad. Yeah.